Okay, class 5th, so it's your GK period, and today we will revise chapter 4, 5 and 6. And first of all, it's the turn for chapter 4. Question number 1 is, who was the first Indian woman to travel into space? Who was the first Indian woman to travel into space? Okay, Ronak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the answer?
Ma'am, Amelia Earhart.
Wrong answer. Listen to my question again. Who was the first Indian woman to travel into space? Vishal. Ronak, please turn off your mic now. Okay, Vishal.
Ma'am, Kalpana Chawla.
Yes, Kalpana Chawla is the right answer. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to travel into space. Okay, very good. Next question. Who was the first woman? Who was the first woman to travel into space? Who was the first woman? अभी मैंने इंडियन वुमेन पूछा था, अभी आपको आंसर करना है फर्स्ट वुमेन टू ट्रेवल इनटू स्पेस. अर्पिता. अर्पिता. श्रुति.
Valentina Tereshkova.
Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova. Okay, very good. Who became the next question? Who became the first man to travel into space and when? Who became the first man to travel into space and when? Anubhav. Anubhav.
UV Gagarin and 12 April 1961.
12th April. 12th April 1961. Okay, very good. Next question is, which American lady was the first woman to fly alone over the Atlantic Ocean? Which American lady was the first woman to fly alone over the Atlantic Ocean? Rudra Tomar, what is happening?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, Amelia Earhart.
Amelia Earhart. Very good. Now it's the time for revising chapter 5.
Okay, ma'am.
It's the time for revising chapter 5, and again you have 5 minutes to revise your chapter. Okay? Again you have 5 minutes. So now revise your chapter, everyone. Now it's the time for revise chapter 5, famous quotes. Truth is my God. Truth is my God. Non-violence is the means of realizing Him. Who said these words? किसके words हैं? किसने बोला है इसे?
महात्मा गांधी ने.
Mahatma Gandhi. Very good. Tanu, now it's your turn. Tejasvi, turn off your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Tanu. Yes, now tell me. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. Who said these words? Tanu. Tanu Prajapati, I am waiting for you and everyone is waiting for you. Chinky Saini, give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Give me blood and I will give you freedom.
Ma'am, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose. Very good. Next is, okay, Chinky. Very good. Now next is, we all grow better in sunshine and in love. We all grow better in sunshine and in love. Archana. Archana, turn on your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer. We all grow better in sunshine and in love. What is the answer?
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa. Very good.
Teresa.
Yes, yes. Okay, very good, beta. Okay, Archana, turn off your mic now. Next question is, we will face the bullets of our enemies. We are free. Will remain free. कि अगर हमने अपने एनिमीज की, अपने दुश्मन की बुलेट्स का, गोलियों का सामना कर लिया तो हम फ्री हो जाएंगे और हमेशा ही फ्री रहेंगे, आजाद रहेंगे, आजाद हो जाएंगे हम. Who said these words? Dev Singh Sandhu. Turn on your mic. Yes, Dev. Tell me now. Dev Singh Sandhu, don't turn off your mic.
सच बोलता हूँ
मैम
जैसे सिर्फ मीठा खाने से शरीर बीमार हो, वैसे सिर्फ मीठा बोलने से सोसाइटी की
मैम
प्रॉब्लम आती है।
क्वेश्चन क्या है?
कभी कभी घड़ी और
क्वेश्चन रिपीट करने की जरूरत है. ओके, वी विल फेस द बुलेट्स ऑफ आवर एनिमीज. वी आर फ्री. वी विल रिमेन फ्री. Yes, Dev, I am waiting for you. Naitik.
Ma'am, Chandrasekhar Azad.
Very good, beta. Chandrasekhar Azad is the right answer. Very well done. Okay, next question is, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Next question is, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Harsh Chauhan. Harsh. Harsh Chauhan, what is the answer? Turn on your mic.
क्या?
Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Harsh Chauhan, give me the answer.
Ma'am, Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Very good. Who built the Jaisalmer fort? Kanu. Kanu. Priyanshu Thakur.
Rawal Jaisal.
Rawal Jaisal. Okay, very good. Next question is, if we were visiting the Buddhist monuments in Sanchi, which Indian state would you be in? Means simply question है कि सांची बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्यूमेंट कहाँ है, सांची कहाँ पर है, कौन से स्टेट में है? अंशिका सामान्य.
मैम, मध्य प्रदेश.
मध्य प्रदेश. यस, बुद्धिस्ट जो मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं सांची में वो कहाँ है? मध्य प्रदेश. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. Located in Bijapur, what is the name of the mausoleum of Muhammad Adil Shah? Muhammad Adil Shah. Navya. Navya. Navya.
गोल गुम्बाज.
Gol Gumbaj. Gol Gumbaj. Okay, very good. Okay, turn off your mic. In which city would you In which city would you find the Bara Imambara and Chota Imambara? Means Bada Imambara and Chota Imambara. In which city? कहाँ पर है ये? इंशा प्रवीण. Yes.
लखनऊ.
लखनऊ. वेरी गुड. इन लखनऊ. बड़ा इमामबाड़ा एंड छोटा इमामबाड़ा कहाँ है? लखनऊ. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन विच हिस्टोरिकल सिटी वुड यू फाइंड द बुलंद दरवाजा? बुलंद दरवाजा कहाँ पर है? हिमांशी.
यस मैम आगरा.
आगरा. ओके वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नमन. नेक्स्ट इज योर टर्न. नमन चौहान, टर्न ऑन योर माइक. Yes. Next question is Naman. What is the name for the Jain temple complex located at Mount Abu? Naman. What is the name for the Jain temple complex located at Mount Abu? Naman Chauhan. Chinky Sani.
यस मैम.
Yes. What is the answer, Chinky?
हम दिलवारा टेम्पल.
Dilwara temple. Very good. Next question is designed by the British architect George Whitted. Which monument is located in Mumbai overlooking the Arabian Sea? Overlooking the Arabian Sea. Harsh. Harsh. Yes, Harsh. Tell me the answer. Designed by the British architect George Whitted, which monument is located in Mumbai overlooking the Arabian Sea?
गेटवे.
Yes, Gateway.
इंडिया.
Gateway of India. Very good. Very good. Next question is in which historical city would you find the Buland Darwaza? In which historical city would you find the Buland Darwaza? Tejasvi.
यस मैम.
Yes. In which historical city would you find the Buland Darwaza? तेजस्वी.
मैम लखनऊ. मैम लखनऊ.
बेटा बुलंद दरवाजा कहाँ पर है? बुलंद दरवाजा. श्रेया. श्रेया. श्रेया, turn on your mic. Yes. Agra. Very good. Okay, okay. Now turn off your mic. Next question is, okay, Shreya, now turn off your mic. Next question is, in which city would you find the Bada Imambada and Chota Imambada? बड़ा इमामबाड़ा और छोटा इमामबाड़ा जगह की नाम की जगह कहाँ पर है? तनु. 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 तनु प्रजापति, टर्न ऑन योर माइक.
मैम लखनऊ.
लखनऊ. ओके वेरी गुड. ओके now turn off your mic. Riya Sharma, next is your turn.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now listen to my question. Who built the Jaisalmer fort? Who built the Jaisalmer fort? Riya Sharma. Riya, turn on your mic. Yes.
Maharana Pratap.
No, not Maharana Pratap. It's Rawal Jaisal. Rawal Jaisal is the right answer, not Maharana Pratap.